Don't break it. Hi guys. So in honor of this cute new water bottle that I got off of Amazon, I think we should have a little chat about how you can jazz your water up. I got this water bottle on Amazon recently. It's called like Buzzio. I don't know. I'll put the name. It's huge and it has this cute little shoulder strap. It has an insulated case and a zipper. Adorable. Look at it. I drink between 2 liters and a gallon of water a day to keep the skin clear. Oh, yes, collarbone. Here's some of the ways that I get the water in without just drinking straight water. So when I first get up in the morning, I have a big old heaping mason jar, I don't know what size, of lemon and cayenne. Lemon is wonderful for the digestive system. It's high in vitamin C. It's super alkalizing, and it just gets my body ready for all the things I'm going to put in it at that day. Cayenne can increase metabolic rate and help with weight with weight management. And the two of them together just put the body where it needs to be, scrub it from the inside, and gets you ready in the morning. The second one is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. What I do is put 1 tablespoon of baking soda in here, shake it up real good, and drink it as I go. Baking soda helps balance the body's pH. It neutralizes stomach acid. So if you have indigestion, it really helps with that. And honestly, it makes the water taste like something. I don't know if you've had like a little bit of salty water, but for some reason, it's just very enjoyable.